Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bread in Zelda Breath of the Wild. First, you'll need to gather just 2 common ingredients found throughout Hyrule. This simple recipe is fantastic for new players, offering a quick and easy way to restore 1 heart of health. It's a basic but essential cooking skill that will help you on your journey. Let's dive into finding those ingredients and getting started with your first loaf. To begin, you'll need 2 key items, Hylian rice and Tabantha wheat. Hylian rice can often be found by cutting grass in grassy areas or purchased from merchants in villages like Hatino. Tabantha wheat is abundant in the Tabantha frontier, especially by cutting the tall grass there. Once you have one of each, you're ready for the next step. These ingredients are quite easy to come by, so gathering them shouldn't take long. Now that you have your Hylian rice and Tabantha wheat, head to any cooking pot with a fire lit underneath. Open your inventory, select one of each ingredient and choose Hold. Then, simply stand near the pot and press the A button to drop them in. The magic will happen, and you'll soon have a fresh loaf of bread ready to enjoy. It's that simple to create a basic, nourishing meal. This simple bread recipe is a fantastic way to keep Link healthy, especially when you're just starting your adventure and don't have many powerful healing items. It's a reliable and easy-to-make snack that can be crafted almost anywhere. Remember, every little bit of health helps in Hyrule. Also, for those looking to keep their real-world adventures fresh, check the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals. It's a small touch that makes a big difference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.